tupezeka pano chifukwa chavula madzi kwathu. Magwavula mbiri madzi numalowa mzinyumba za anthu. Tumwanga sinimava bwino komanso thandizo cha mankhwala silipezeka. Mafuta, sopo, sambira kwathu masewera zikukanika mmene ndimakhaliramo. Sukulu litsekulira nkuja pa 5 January. Yesu tudziwa kuti zikhala bwanji chifukwa sukulu inagwa komanso makopi ndi zina zinakokoloka ndi madzi.
Vose vinapita ninavona vinavala kumbali sukulu zangu zimene zinapita ndi madzi makopi ndi uniform nokuti limovutika sukulu madzi asima atongo makhala kuno kuninja tikadya ndiye kuti yanguchitika kumwayo.
My stakeholders.
The district has been greatly affected. The first thing is that it was all our roads were cut. That made us to be cut off from the rest of the country. But again, we also have a huge number of people who were displaced. We are talking about 4,315, but the figures are still rising.
As Save the Children, we had an emergency preparedness plan with its corresponding budget. So the total budget is $4 million United States dollars, and we have been conducting a number of preparedness and anticipatory activities. So we have trained school management committees, we have trained community members, we have trained even children themselves, we have trained government workers, extension workers, both at national and district level. The idea is to make sure that we equip these people with knowledge so that they should be able to respond in advance before the disaster strike. So this has really contributed to saving a lot of lives because the people were able to prepare in a good time. As you can see, the problem is very big, and then we have a budget gap thanks to ECHO, because we have a project which is funded by ECHO. It is focusing on school in emergencies, but also it is focusing much on anticipatory action. So with the funding from ECHO, it is really has helped us to pre-position for such disasters, and it has had huge impact, as I've already said, but still the gap is huge, and it is my appeal to well-wishers and to those donors that are supporting us that if they can support us, the time is now, because the problem is huge, and based on the information that we have been provided by the Department of Climate Change and the Meteorological Services, we expect to have very heavy rains next week and onwards. So the problems of flooding will even be happening to more districts, not only in Kota.